Small set for young children. Cute animals, but why a flower is included is curious to me. A sheep or horse would have been better than a flower. It really doesn't go with this set. If Lego sold a $400 zoo with every plastic animal ever discovered on the Wild Kratts show, I would have to buy it. My toddler loves animals. We are working on his motor skills and this is a great set for building and playing. He loves to make the animal sounds. He can also build the sets, and connect the blocks to build larger items. DUPLO has been a staple at my home for a long time, and I look forward to the fun things the kids can do with them. Easy for 3-year-old to do. This was a gift and child played with it all day. These DUPLO toys are my favorite. Every kid needs animals and people to use with the blocks. Very nice. I also bought knockoff Elira's farm animals that are great to mix and match with. DUPLO ones are thicker but 2-year-old doesn't care. I matched with DUPLO birthday train. While you never seem to get much with these extras, my daughter likes the animals. Fun extras. I gave this as a gift to a 1-year-old. I'm sure she will learn to love it as she grows. I liked it because I have chickens and my granddaughter visited and got to care for them with me. It's an Anna reminder. Used as a cake topper. My grandsons were thrilled with this toy. It was a favorite among the many gifts my 3-year-old grandson received Saturday. Awesome Lego reviews. Click link in description for more reviews.